200-meter hurdles. The lane assignments. In lane 8, personal best 56.84 seconds, also a season's best, the 2022 Big Ten champion at 400-meter hurdles. Let's make welcome from the University of Minnesota, Abigail Scarf. In lane 7, personal best 59.61 seconds, representing the Queen School, Gabrielle Matthews. In lane number 6, personal best 56.00 seconds, fifth in the finals last year from Ronda Mechanics. Let's make welcome Kimisha Chambers. In lane 5, 54.20 seconds, personal best. The 2017 South American Championship gold medalist, the Panamanian and South American record holder from Panama. Also at hurdle mechanic, Gianna Woodruff. In lane 4, 53.38 personal best. 3 times the national champion, ranked number 4 on the Jamaican all-time list. At 2021 Olympic 4x4 bronze medalist, representing MVP Track Club. Let's make welcome Janieve Russel. In lane 3, 54.29 personal best, 2017 national champion, the 2018 CSE Games gold medalist, representing Pelicans Track Club, Ronda Whyte. The lineup for section 2 of 2 women's 400-meter hurdle semifinals. Remind you that the top 3 automatically will advance to the finals.
On your mark. Set.
Away they go then, first time of asking. Top 3 sure to advance, a good start already for Kimisha Chambers in lane 6. Also going well on her inside is Gianna Woodruff, the Panamanian. Looked good in New York a week and a half ago. But Kimisha Chambers the one to catch at the moment. Janieve Russel yet to get in her running, so to Ronda Whyte. So as they near the 200-meter mark, it's Chambers with the advantage. Woodruff also in the mix, now Janieve Russel begins to move forward and takes advantage based on the stagger. It's Janieve Russel just ahead of Chambers and Woodruff. Ronda Whyte left back in fourth at the moment with work to do. It's Janieve Russel with the advantage in the home stretch. Woodruff trying to press. So too Chambers and Whyte on the inside. But look at Janieve Russel fly. She skipped the last flight. Janieve Russel slows to a canter, gets the win ahead of Woodruff, Chambers and Whyte. 55.03 the flash time. Time for Janieve Russel 55.04, Woodruff 55.71 in second, Chambers 56.03, Whyte 56.50.